What's up, guys? CJ here, Finn's Fur Adventures. Sorry about the mess back here, but this is where the magic happens. All my editing magic. Anyway, I'll show y'all a little drum fishing video I made a while back. Kind of like how I like to fish drum. Just something fun to do with the kids if you ever want to just go throw some dead bait on the bottom. So we're out here underneath the I-10 bridge, and I'm fishing a little drop shot rig for trying to catch a slam, baby. We're trying to get us a drum. We've already got a drum, but I ain't got it on camera, so it didn't count. Catch a drum, a redfish, maybe a speckled trout, hopefully a flounder. But for sure, trying to catch some old convicts, the sheephead. Let's see if we can't put another one in the boat. About 7 foot of water. They're biting really, really soft. I know it's loud, but I'm underneath the bridge. Water temp's about 65 degrees. There's a lot of bait. Just had a little bump. Water temp's about 65 degrees. Bite really soft. You can't really even feel them bite. Using a 3/0 circle hook, I really need something smaller. We're just casting up against these pilings. Piling. I guess it's a stanchion. Just letting you go to the bottom. I got all them barnacles and stuff on them stanchions. That's where them fish are gonna be. If they got any sheephead in here, maybe too fresh. I don't know. But this is how it goes. Whenever you turn the camera on, you don't get a bite. Y'all seen that? Good. And then hit the bottom. You can. Oh, that got hit. There he is. A little drum. We see some size to him, we'd be all right. Right here. That's all we're doing. Like I said, beautiful Prien Lake Park, where I launched my boat, trying to get. Alright, you can have that. Pretty little drum. Just something to come do, a little different. Bass fishing ain't that good on the river right now because the water's so dirty. And I like playing around. I miss playing around in the salt water. It's been so long. But they just started. See if we can't get us some redfish. We'll try the banks a little later. And eventually these fish are gonna get a little bigger. Another little drum. Just can't get one to any size. Thank you, little buddy. Well, we just got back. No, I didn't catch this one on this video, but my daughter did, and I'll show you that clip here in a second. For y'all. Alright, reel. Got a reel. Reel. Hold on to it. Hold on.
Hold it.
No, you got it.
Help me, Dad.
Oh, big old. The drum or sheephead?
That's
Where'd it go? Right here. Damn, Papa missed it with a net. But this is black drum. I've heard it tastes just like red drum, so we're gonna find out. I got one little, little baby red drum right there. Anyway, I'm gonna season it up. Put a little lemon juice. That's gonna kind of start the cooking process right there. And we got the old Tony Sashers. Dust her on there. Get some garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. Alright, just gonna let that sit. Grill's already hot. Only thing we gotta do is put the babies on. But I'm gonna let it slip for a second or two, and then we'll put them on the grill.
Moved it.
We got these babies right here. Now it's time to go make a sauce. A little bit of lemon juice, a little extra soy sauce. Old Worcestershire. I like a lot of that. All that is fish sauce, actually. And don't sleep on this. This is Cajun Power Worcestershire sauce. And what it is, this just got a lot of seasonings in it. So. Alright. Get a little spoon. Go ahead and stir that up. And we're just gonna let that come to a simmer. Good beef. Got me drilled anyway. Let that cook for a little longer. And for the finale, see if black drum is better than redfish. Here we go. A little warm, be careful. That's a piece of drum.
I give a drum a 10 out of 10.
That's a redfish. But I tell you what, that drum ain't bad. Like,
It's actually really good.
yeah, I could eat it a few more times. Like, I can see myself putting that in the kitchen a lot. So, don't throw all those drum away. About 16 to 20 inches. Bring those babies home. Either fry them or put them on the half shell and put them on the grill. Good stuff. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hey, my baby girl, she's gonna try. She's about to make a little video with some eggs, so y'all stay tuned.
Oh, and I caught the biggest drum too.
She did actually catch this drum, so We're eating her fish again. All right, thank y'all.